Unzip Condor Online Update Tour. You can see Online Update Tour EXE User Menu, FT232 USB driver, Update Video, and the supported car list. Condor mainly works with cars, no silver locks. Since the silver locks material is hard and easy to wear, Condor blades. Install USB driver. Connect the tool to the computer. Depress FT232 USB driver. Driver will be installed automatically. Select the specified directory. The wizard will automatically finish installing USB serial converter. Install USB serial port. The wizard will automatically install USB serial port. Click Update Online. If your network connection is not fast enough or fail to update, click drop-down menu to update. Do not disconnect the device during the process of updating, otherwise the device will fail to use. It will take you about 19 minutes to update, because the update needs to connect with our server. Please wait patiently.